విరాట్ చిల్లీ పౌడర్ అన్ని రకాల వంటలకు పచ్చళ్లకు సరైన చిల్లీ పౌడర్. నో కలర్ నో కెమికల్స్.
You love sarees.
Yeah, I love sarees.
Okay.
I love going to temples. So Anumita is like that.
Mm.
So actually sarees లో నాకు చాలా కంఫర్ట్ ఉంది.
Comfort ఉంది.
Ah.
Serial లో you are comfortable with that
Yeah.
sarees.
Yes, very comfortable.
But outside the serial you are looking more beautiful. In
Thank
serial
you.
కొంచెం ఏజ్ అనిపిస్తదేమో కానీ
చీరలో కొంచెం ఏజ్ కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ సల్వార్ లో నార్మల్ జీన్స్ టాప్ లో నా ఏజ్ ఒకసారి గెస్ చేయండి ఎంత ఉంది.
మేబీ 29. No.
సీరియల్లో ఎంత కనిపిస్తుంది?
సీరియల్ 32.
32 కనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah.
అవును, నా ఏజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ 22.
20.
Yes,
Two?
2002 born.
22.
Yes. జస్ట్ బ్యాచిలర్స్ అయిపోయింది జస్ట్ 1 year ముందుకి.
You're 22.
I started my career when I was 14. 17 I did one serial.
I'm awestruck, like what the hell.
See, nobody gets to know my age. They don't. First, they are like talking to me with a lot of respect, and they're like, "Madam, madam, madam." Once they get to know my age, they don't take me seriously. They're like, "Hey, hey, hey, oh, hey." Like that, they'll treat me.
Oh, yo. Even I am awestruck, like
See,
22.
see, I'll be 23 this October.
In October,
Yeah.
same pinch. High five.
When is your birthday?
October 12th.
Mine is 9th.
Oh, I'll wish you.
Okay, I'll also wish you.
This is not like an interview. We are
We are
talking.
just discussing. We are
Yeah.
just like. I think that is only better, no?
Yeah,
Huh?
actually.
If it becomes very makey, it doesn't look nice. You
Exactly.
prepare a question paper,
Mm.
I prepare an answer
Answer sheet.
sheet, and we are like
It will be
discussing
an
that.
exam.
Oh God, no, cut. This is not looking. I missed one dialogue. Wait. Then what is the difference between a serial and an interview?
Exactly. Okay, tell me one funniest thing you ever did in that serial shooting.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I was planning onto a lot of things. In my last serial, we did a lot of badmashi because I was 19 years old when I started that serial. By the time I finished that serial, I got 21.
Okay.
So my whole maturity and puberty and everything happened during that time.
Serial.
Okay? So at that time, I did a lot of badmashi. But now I think this serial actually maximum ఒక month లో 10 days, 12 days shoot ఉంది. అందుకే అది బద్మాషి చేయడానికి టైం లేదు కదా.
అయ్యో.
అది ప్రాబ్లం. But I'll go and tease everybody.
You go and tease
Yeah, I'll go and tease everybody, disturb everybody.
Mhm.
That I'll do.
Ah.
Irritate everybody.
Okay.
My director says that you people are here just to torture me. Just to torture me. You have come from Calcutta. है ना? You have come from Calcutta just to torture me.
అయ్యో.
He'll be like that. He's very nice.
Okay. You have been here for 1 year, I think. At least
November లో 1 year అవుతుంది.
1 year అవుతుంది. సో హైదరాబాద్లో ఏం నచ్చింది మీకు బాగా? ఫుడ్
నచ్చింది. యాక్చువల్లీ కాల్కటా ఫుడ్ కూడా చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. కానీ హైదరాబాద్లో ఫుడ్స్లో మసాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. అది నాకు నచ్చింది. కానీ అది యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక వీక్లో మ్యాక్సిమం 1 day 2 days I think it is okay, but if you have it regularly, you'll fall sick. But
we are habituated to that food.
Yeah, you're habituated. Bengal లో యాక్చువల్లీ మసాలా తక్కువగా అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది, లైక్ టూ మచ్. సో ఫుడ్ నచ్చింది కానీ రెగ్యులర్లో తినడానికి అది బాగోదు.
రెగ్యులర్లో బాగోదు. ఓకే.
ఫుడ్ ఐ రియలీ లైక్.
Have you been to any places in Hyderabad, like visited the places? Charminar.
I visited Charminar. Yes, I visited Golconda Fort.
Oh.
Yes, and I really like restaurants. I went to Roast. I went to this place called Anthera. I go there regularly.
Oh,
Yeah.
Anthera. People ఆంతెరాలో ఉంటారంట. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఆంతెరా రెస్టారెంట్ ఉంది కదా, సో మీరు వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఎప్పుడైనా ఇన్ని ప్లేసెస్ తిరిగారు కదా, ఎక్కడైనా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అని ఎప్పుడైనా ఇబ్బంది పెట్టారా మీకు? నో, నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్.
They'll tease me at set
యా.
that తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలి, తెలుగులో చెప్పు, ఏదైనా చెప్పాలా తెలుగులో చెప్పు. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ ఫన్.
ఫర్ ఫన్.
జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఫన్.
యా.
they'll tell the prompter, ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయొద్దు, తెలుగులో చెప్పు, అమ్మాయికి తెలుగు వస్తాయి, లైక్ దట్.
నేర్పిస్తారు.
లైక్ దట్. they'll they'll sometimes like for fun, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody is very nice to me on set because I came from Calcutta,
Hmm.
so they take care of me a lot.
Yeah, they don't harass you like
No,
you
no,
have
no.
to speak Telugu, otherwise we won't give. No.
And I like the age difference with everybody is a lot.
Ah,
So they treat me like
a
very,
daughter.
yeah. Like even the girl who plays my sister's role, like my
Mm.
Charlie role, she is also elder than me.
Ayyo.
So everybody treats me very nicely. She's actually very nice. Her name is Shivani.
Mm-hmm.
When I first shifted to Hyderabad, I used to cry in my hotel room whenever there was a holiday.
Hmm.
She came, pick me up, took me to hotels,
Okay.
entertained me whole day, and
Oh.
then again dropped me to my hotel.
Oh.
So she's very nice. So
Okay.
everybody took very good care of me. I can't complain about anything.
No. Who is your favorite character in the serial? Like except you,
Deva?
Deva.
Deva,
Uh-huh. What do you like about Deva? Not Arjun. Deva లో ఏం
Deva, yeah,
నచ్చుతుంది?
yes. Dev అంటే పైకి చాలా హార్డ్ గా చాలా టఫ్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది
Yeah, కనిపిస్తాడు
కనిపిస్తారు కానీ మనసులో బంగారం.
మనసులో బంగారం.
Yes, he's very nice, very soft hearted, very sweet guy.
Oh, okay.
So I like
You
that.
like Deva.
Mm,
You
yeah.
want Deva in your real life, like maybe?
Maybe I see real life no actually what will happen నాకు తెలీదు. So I can't have expectations. It is not like a buffet that I can go and select what I want. So whatever is there in my fate will happen.
Love marriage, arranged marriage? No marriage? Don't tell.
No marriage actually. Mm, arranged marriage I think. Yeah.
You'll go for arranged marriage because your mother is going to see this interview.
No. My mother is very open-minded. Even my father is very. I am the
Strict one.
Dramebaz and the orthodox one, but I think I have had a relationship
Mm-hmm.
and that didn't work out.
Breakup.
So
Oh.
yeah. So I don't. I think if I get married,
Mhm.
it will be arranged marriage maybe. But
Mm.
again, we don't know what's there in the fate.
Okay.
I'm just 22. Lot of years.
Okay.
So
If you don't take it personal, breakup ఏం టీచ్ చేసింది మీకు?
what it taught me,
Yeah.
don't trust men.
Don't trust men at all. No. Not a man at all.
I think you should be very careful, especially in today's generation. Our father's generation was very different,
Okay.
but today's generation is very different.
So don't trust men at all.
Yes, don't trust men. I think they'll kill me. I have a lot of
Man
male
following.
followers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they'll kill me. But no, I really love you all. But personal experiences teach you a lot of things. So to the young girls, I'll say be very careful about your partner because remember that when you will grow up with that partner, so whenever you know what happens in life, you don't know. Your mother will be sick, your father will be sick, they'll get hospitalized when they get old. Your partner will be the only one beside you. So remember that situation and choose someone very wisely.
Oh, you're too mature to say this. Like I can see that. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah, happens.
happens.
So let it make it some fun. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
మీరు సెట్లో చేసిన ఒక అల్లరి పని తుంటరి పని ఇలా చేసినప్పుడు అందరూ మిమ్మల్ని టీచ్ చేసిన ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?